JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan. And continuing from with my complete detox Curlsmith mini-series. So I've already went through the detox portion with the biotics, the pre, pro, and postbiotics. Ooh, I remembered all three. So now it is time for me to go ahead and, deeply moisturize my hair. And to do that, I will be using the Curlsmith Hydro Cream Soothing Mask. And always make sure that you stay tuned to the end so that I can talk about what it said, what it did, and if there is anything that I need from it. After you wash your hair, which is what it says, your regular routine, apply it all over your hair from root to tip for a quick soothing boost. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. I don't need a boost. I need it deep. So deep and soothing. So for that, it says to leave in for 30 minutes, then rinse. That's what I'm gonna do. And in the meantime, while I apply, I'm gonna talk about the ingredients and what things make it do what it do. And of course, all of Curlsmith's products are cruelty-free. They are vegan, certified organic ingredients, and they are curly girl friendly. All right, so let's pop the top here.
What's wrong? It's stank or something?
I don't smell nothing. There is a scent, but it's so super light. I don't know. It smells like medium. That's the first thing that comes to mind, like medium. Yeah, it's not an overpowering anything. It smells like medium. It smells like medium. One thing I do want to say too, and it doesn't say if you need to do this on dry, damp, or wet, it just says apply it. I was rinsing my hair with warm water just to get the cuticles back open. And I was reading the jar because I like to read the things, and there are a lot of words to read, as you can see. And I saw that it is distributed by Recipe Products Ltd, 22 Notting Hill Gate. And instantly I was like, Notting Hill? Hugh Grant and Julia Roberts? Remember, if you've seen the movie, then you know how like they were going around they were taking the walk after they left from the dinner with the friends, and they were walking around that gated area, and Hugh Grant was like, well, yeah, it's a gated area. And she called him, I can't remember his what was his, Floppy. She was like, you scared, Floppy? And he was struggling trying to hop this like 12, 14 foot gate, and she like did it in one fell swoop. But yeah, it reminded me of that. And I wonder if that gated community is where the shipping is. More than likely not, but I want to believe that it is. Let's go ahead and apply this. Okay, let's look at the, thick. All right, so consistency.
Thick.
If this was a lotion type of consistency, I would say dry to extra dry, because even though there's a creaminess, geez Louise.
Thick.
Okay, so I can smell the scent a little bit better. Medium. All right, let's apply it.
Now, jumping into the ingredients, first being water, derived from water, and then following up are 7 different natural and organic, some plant-derived emollients and conditioning ingredients. You then enter into the key ingredients, first being lather, which is an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal and antiseptic agent, which balances the scalp's natural oil production. Next is green tea, which inhibits DHT, a hormone that blocks hair growth. Thyme, that improves blood circulation and facilitates the delivery of nutrients to the scalp. Once again, the scalp's personal floor manager. And amla, amla, which is made from the fruit of the Indian gooseberry tree, widely used in the Middle East and Asia. This fruit helps to prevent hair loss and stimulate hair growth.
me. I have entirely rinsed out the Hydro Cream Soothing Mask, and the hair is good. And check out the curls. They are good and happy. Clumpy, I must say. Let's go ahead and talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. It's actually pretty simple. It says what is on the front here, where it is basically going to be soothing, it's going to be balancing, and it's going to also restore intense hydration. As far as the balancing part, based on some of the ingredients that are in here, like the green tea, the cedar wood, the lavender, the thyme, definitely things that, you know, with steady use are definitely going to help promote hair growth. Like, that's what they do. So I do definitely see, just because everything is very clean, that over a period of time that would happen. And with like, oh, and then like the rare ingredients that they have, which are really cool. In this one, it is the amla. So every time I read that, I read Alma, and then I instantly think Sister Act.
Alma, check your battery. Give me an A, please.
It's not that. It's not Alma with the batteries. It's Amla. So just with the combination of things that they do have in it, it definitely does feel like over a period of time of using them constantly, that these things would definitely help to promote hair growth. And then also the fact that when I was looking through the ingredients list, all of the extracts are not at the bottom. So they're like right at the top, right in the like the top middle, and like that whole like middle chunk outside of like the first few ingredients are all of like the natural, you know, certified organic things. So, you know, you definitely are getting the benefit of them because they are like actively in there, in opposed to like the bottom three and it's like a drop of it. As far as the moisture goes, my hair definitely feels moisturized. I don't know how to describe it. My hair just feels really ready for like my leave-in and styling portions. Like, it doesn't need anything else. Like the mask itself gave my hair everything that a mask should. Again, I would try it if I were you. So of course, all information will be down below, along with any pop-up videos. I also want to try that, the quenching, the one with the orange label. It's part of the moisture collection. The double quench mask. Ooh, I really want to try that. Definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have tried the Hydro Cream mask, how well it worked for you. All right, so make sure you press the like button, punch, subscribe because it's right there, punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. Again, thank you for tuning into JermaineAuNatural, and I'll see you in the next one.